Hey, what's going on, man? Hey, welcome to Pro Box Plant City. Who we have here? Come here, my friend. Hey, you don't miss a beat here, man.
No, man, I don't.
What is it about Pro Box?
I like it. I like it. The matches are always awesome.
Hey, every 2 weeks we get in fights, boxing. Hey, not just for us, man. This is worldwide, man. Pro Box is just in 1 year. You thought this thing was gonna be what it turned out to be?
Yeah, right down the street, twice a month now, man. It's awesome. Love it.
Hey, no wonder you don't miss no commercials.
Amen. Amen.
Hey, what you want to tell the fans out there about Pro Box and the events that you guys put together twice a month?
Yeah, get it on for $2 a month, man. You can't beat it.
$25, man. Hey, listen, this is a loyal fan. He hasn't missed a beat. He's got me back one fight, but I had surgery. But yo, listen, this is
you did. You had surgery?
yeah, I had surgery. But yo, listen, we'll be right back after this, man. We got a big fight in just an hour and 20 seconds, man. Keep punching and God bless.
Have a good night. Good luck.